The marketplace buzzed. Animals scurried in every direction, their voices a lively hum of morning chatter. A young fox slipped through the bustling crowd. His movements were quick and furtive. A bright red apple was clutched carefully in his paws, then a shiny pear, and a bunch of sweet purple grapes. He darted from stall to stall, a shadow in the morning sun. Rabbit, polishing his carrots, gasped. His long ears stood straight up. He pointed a trembling paw. "The fox is stealing again." His voice was a loud, sharp accusation. It cut through the market's pleasant noise. Squirrel, perched on a pile of nuts, frowned deeply. He chattered angrily, his tail twitching. Whispers spread like wildfire. From the badger's bakery to the mouse's cheese stand, everyone saw the fox's quick paws. Everyone saw the fruits disappear into his sack. They assumed the worst. They nodded in shared disapproval. "That fox," they muttered, "always causing trouble. He has no respect. A thief through and through." No one stopped to ask why. No one thought to look closer. The judgment was swift and absolute. The fox felt their glares. He heard their harsh words. He lowered his head, his ears drooping slightly, but he did not stop. He gathered one last plum, and he vanished into the shadows of the nearby woods. The market was left to its righteous anger. Later, as the sun climbed higher in the sky, a quiet stillness settled over the edge of the forest. The fox crept toward an old hollow log. He moved with a gentleness that no one in the market had seen. He placed the fruits carefully at the entrance. The apple, the pear, the grapes, the plum. A small, vibrant offering. From inside the log, a soft sound emerged. Tiny baby birds chirped softly. Their beaks were wide open, waiting. They were small and fragile. Their mother was nowhere to be seen. The fox nudged the fruits closer with his nose. He whispered, his voice a low, comforting rumble. They were hungry. I had to help. He watched as the little birds pecked at the soft flesh of the pear. A quiet satisfaction filled his chest. He was their secret guardian, their silent provider. Curiosity had gotten the better of rabbit and squirrel. They had followed the fox from a distance. Hiding behind a large oak tree, they watched the entire scene unfold. The animal's eyes widened in disbelief. Then, in dawning comprehension, they had judged so very, very quickly. Their assumptions felt heavy, like stones in their stomachs. They had painted the fox as a villain, when all along he was a hero. A wave of shame washed over them. The rabbit stepped forward slowly. His ears were now drooped, mirroring the fox's earlier posture. Squirrel followed close behind, his head bowed. I'm sorry, Fox. The words were quiet, but sincere. We were wrong about you. The fox turned his head. He saw their regret. He saw their changed hearts. The fox smiled gently, a warm, forgiving smile that reached his eyes. Things are not always what they seem. Narrator, moral. Don't judge too quickly. Not everything is as it seems.